Alright, so welcome back to this last video, which will be the unboxing of the 24-pack booster box. Nothing much to say about this, so let's get started. Let's see, there should be a pull tab, I think. No? I guess I'll have to open it. Oh, they changed the design a bit. So now it's easier to open. That's actually quite nice. Let's just take these out of the box. All right, so here's hoping for an enchanted. All right, so let's see, Bonsai, Gale, Minnie Mouse, Vision of the Future, Mickey Mouse, When Will Life Begin, Magical Aid. I think this one is new. Glimmer versus Glimmer, Merlin's Cottage, Remember Who You Are. Basil's Magnifying Glass, so just a rare one. And a foil Tafita Mutton Fudge, difficult to pronounce. Right, Merry Weather, White Rabbit, Healing Touch, that's a new one, King Candy, Simba, Kronk, Clarabelle, Fix-It, Felix Jr., Simba, Rafiki, no, Legendary, nice. Legendary, oh, you can see the character itself has a glossy finish to it, while the rest of the card is blank or matte. So that's kind of neat. And a foiled Healing Decanter. I didn't notice this on the other Legendary I got. Have to revisit that card and see if it has the same glossy finish. All right, Clarabelle, Hypnotic Strength, Kenai, Minnie Mouse, Break Free, Mickey Mouse. And at this point, I'm not entirely sure which cards I do have and don't have, so I'll just go. Oh my god, I just saw it. Here we go. Look at this, okay. I got lucky. Ratigan's Party. I do prefer to have the enchanted in these, regular cards instead of location cards. But yeah, this is beautiful. As you can see in Shimmering Skies, they have a extremely colorful design on the cards. And you can see the rainbow sort of lines, flowing lines going. Yeah, real nice. Just put that inside a sleeve. All right, that's a nice surprise. I was hoping for one more, just one regular character or character card or anything like that. Okay, so Ulf, Earth Giant, Lilo. I think that's a new one. Ever as before, Potion of Might, Rudy, Robin Hood, Maid Marian, Bashful, Sugar Rush Speedway. Okay, that's a new location card. Daisy Duck and a foil Amber Chromicon. I really do like that they are experimenting with their cards, trying different designs and stuff like that, because that makes it more worthwhile collecting. As a collector, I enjoy having different designs on both the boxes and packaging and also on the cards. Shaka, Chaka Chaka, Chaka Khan, Happy, King of Hearts, Ruby Chromicon, all fun out. Plate Armor, Luis Madrigal, and a foil Rancis Flaggerbutter. I believe that the first expansion, the first chapter, I didn't get any. Come on, I didn't get any enchanted cards at all. And not sure if I got one for the second one. But at this point, I think I have maybe 3 or 4, maybe 3. Is it a Nook, Fix-It Felix, Merlin, Evo Comes Prepared, Simba, Ed, Rapunzel's Tower, Food Fight, Robin Hood, Moana, and a foiled Ratigan. And I've been trying to complete my collections through a site called Card Market, buying just individual cards, but it's getting kind of difficult finding what I need for the first chapter, or even the 3 first chapters, expansions. Turbo, Sapphire Chromicon, Scrooge McDuck, I think that's a new one, and a foiled Anna. So, trying to get a first complete collection of the base cards, or the 200 and what is it, 4 of each, is kind of hard. But then trying to buy foiled versions of each, that will be more or less impossible. And then the enchanted cards, they are expensive as heck. So Gale, Minnie Mouse, Vision of the Future, Mickey Mouse, Shield of Arendelle, you're welcome. Sven, 7 Dwarf Mine, Tug of War, Who's With Me, at least a super rare, and a foiled Grumpy. Okay. Come on. And Cogsworth, Fixed Felix. Let's see, just go through this quickly. Another super rare, Scroop. Another legendary. Okay, so this actually has a sort of glossy finish to the character. So it seems that this is an additional change, or addition, if you will, and a foiled Sleepy. Let's see. Sneezy Robin Hood, Arthur, Luis Madrigal, and a foiled Banzai. So yeah, trying to get a complete collection will be a nightmare, to say the least. And then we have all the different promo cards. I don't even own a single one. So yeah, that's going to cost me a lot of money. So we'll see. I'll just have to be satisfied if I first of all get a base set. Super rare Kronk and a foiled Clarabelle. That Clarabelle card has come up quite a few times at this point. Sasu, Merlin, Rut, Minnie the Mouse, Daisy Duck, hey, another Clarabelle. Sven, the Namari, Sheriff of Nottingham, Magical Aid. Okay, cool. A foiled version of Magical Aid. Next pack. Yeah, so Maleficent. I don't think I've seen her before in this set, or this expansion so far. Sherwood Forest. We Know the Way, and a foiled The Queen. Yep. So collecting the cards, especially or buying cards via the card market, isn't impossible. You could probably find almost every single card you need, but then it's just a matter of price, how much you're willing to pay. And this first time I tried another super another foiled Gazelle. So the first time I tried card market, I only bought from sellers in my country, in Sweden. But I sort of exhausted that option now in terms of at least the 3 first or 4 first expansions. So now I have to look within the EU, I think, within Europe. And I think this is a new one. And that will raise the price quite a bit. Pete, a few new cards at least. Arthur, King Candy, Gaston, another super rare, and a foiled Sneezy. I wonder if you can even get 2 enchanted in one box. It hasn't happened so far yet, so also if you look at the prices for the enchanted cards, the location cards and stuff like that, or items, they usually go for less than, you know, the character cards do. Dark. They're all in armor, which is a nice touch. Okay, another legendary. I think this is my 4th or 5th so far, so I've been lucky that way. Yep. And a foiled Olaf. Let's see. Finders Keepers. Ludwig von Drake. I think this is a new one. Magic and the Spell. Princess John's Mirror. Hideaway. Oh, okay, this is supposed to be a foil, but the foil only appears on the sky part, which makes it almost look like a just regular card. All right, Queen. I think this is a new one. Happy or welcome, Nala. 7 Dwarf Mine, another location, Pride Lands. Chica, and a foiled Simba. Only, let's see, only 2, 4, 6 more to go. At this point, I'm not expecting anything, so we'll see if I get lucky. Maybe another legendary would be nice at least. Hero, White Rabbit, Healing Touch, okay. Duck cover, location. Foiled, oh, yeah, okay, so this is a foiled legendary, and that's nice, of Jafar. So you can see it has both the foil on the card, but also the glossy finish on the character. Kind of unique combination. Right, Fauna, Archimedes, blah, 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 blah. Nothing new here. Super rare, Blasts from the Past, from your past even. Another super rare, Casco. And a foiled Little John. Library, Glimmer versus Glimmer, all fun out. Shenzi, and Shenzai maybe. Another super rare. And a foiled Retrosphere. 3 packs to go. So Gazelle. Royal Tantrum. Obscurosphere is the foiled one. Night Howler Rage. I don't think I've seen that before. Tipo, Coda, Snow White, super rare. Nice card. And a foil Sheriff of Nottingham. All right, one pack to go. The last one. All right, Robin Hood, Maleficent, Took, hey, Little John, Try Everything, Stitch, Sword Releases, Pete and the Wrestling Champ, okay. And a foiled Merlin. Okay, so that's it. That's it. Of course, the highlight of this booster pack was the legendary Rat Against Party location card. And yeah, so as you can see, it's very colorful, almost rainbow-like. So that's the new sort of look for the Shimmering Skies enchanted cards. So we'll see what they will come up with in the next expansion. Anyway, that's it. So thank you for watching.